A very good afternoon, children. This is our third video in the series. I know you are very smart and you have learned how to submit your assignment with the help of Classroom app. In this video, we are going to learn what is a drive and how to share our assignments or PDFs or images to the drive. Now, I'll explain you what is a drive. Drive is an app provided by Google, which is a cloud, that is, it is a free storage which does not use your phone memory to store your information. When you are signed in with the Reflite ID on your phone or on your laptop or computer, you share the same drive. Now, if I have to share something on my phone like an image or a PDF, I can do that with the help of a drive. Let us open a drive, Classroom, and then you can see the files over here. These files are already shared in the Classroom. Remember, the files which are shared by you to your teacher on the Classroom will be visible on the drive. So, I am going to show you how to share your work on drive. I am again going to the file manager. I will click on docs. You can also choose any image or another file to be shared. Here I am selecting a PDF and then I will click on the send option. Once you click on the send option, this time we are selecting the option save to drive. When you click on the save to drive option, the first is the document title and then in the second it will be asking you the account. Remember to put your Centrifugal's account over there. I repeat, remember to put your Centrifugal's account there. You can do it by selecting the accounts given over there. Then again click on my drive, which is already by default there, and then click on save. Your one file is being uploaded on my drive. So this is how we have sent our work to the drive. Now in our next video we will learn how to submit the assignment available on the drive through a laptop. Thank you.